Umatri nama kajala konda sangma oleh thu baka Sorkar jala kalayo ya ka sanction lene ka jingmak pisa ka basisma san folklore Tyngka nang taban klanye ki kor ki bora kabila Pyrshah ki kam Sniew kata kalong de babu ya ka command center kamjuru ya ki CCTV kamera Lyngba juga ni ki kor ki bor ukon oleh thu makan pensuk ya ki pulit berkamjuru ki bor kata poyeng ban kem ya ki beri ke benang ti ya ki kam Sniew kumbakala jaha kan nang ba chlong ha ki Sniew ki baladam Umatri Lyngba lo yai banru baki pulit ki kem ya ki beri ke benang kam ti ya ki kam Sniew halor ki saki satar ki babyang kam di setia baka Sorkar ko shikam melumu hai kada don ki saki satar ki babyang bat ki jing shisharu ba den mata kada baka Sorkar kala kem bat kam nak ban kem ru yene no klem dan ki saki satar ki babyang.
Yeah, of course, these kind of incidents require, again, arrests have to be made based on evidence. We cannot arrest people just because somebody says it is somebody or somebody, gives the names of somebody. It has to be based either on some kind of a CCTV recording or some kind of videos. So we have not been able to collect that. These incidents have been very, very spread out in different corners of the city, and hence it's not always possible to get the recordings and the evidences that are there. So all steps and everything that is done by the government is always based on evidence, and therefore that is what we're basing it on. And as and when we get the evidence, obviously action will be taken. There were certain incidents that took place, and the government was firm in ensuring that whatever necessary steps had to be taken were taken to arrest individuals who were involved in certain incidents based on pure evidence and facts. And because of that, we did expect that there would be some reaction. So number one, we should be very, very clear that this is a reaction to certain reactions or certain actions that took place. And therefore, we were not surprised as such, but yes, it has been happening very often. But we are very much aware, and we are working towards ensuring that none of these incidents should happen. And the police has taken further steps. I don't want to go into details, but we are on the job, and I want to assure the people that the government is taking steps to contain the situation.
So why?
That under the smart city, about 150 crores for integrated command and control center has already been sanctioned. The work is already on, and in different junctions you must be seeing high-level cameras being set up. Those are the works. In fact, some people were complaining to me that this IGP junction, they have completely blocked the police point. It's been done because there's an installation going on there. Like this, there will be close to about 300 plus cameras all over the city, and these will also be enhanced by facial recognition softwares, and the complete integrated command center in the IT park is being set up, which we expect to inaugurate in the month of July. So to reply to your question, absolutely, we are upgrading the system. We are on the job, and coming this July, the inauguration of that particular integrated command center with 300 plus cameras. I can't remember exactly how much, but I think 300 plus minus, and with facial recognition software.
So